In this quick video guide, we're gonna introduce and start looking at Live Home 3D, which is a application you can download for Windows, Mac, and many other operative system that can help you to design architecture, interior design, so you can create 2D, 3D, virtual visualization and renderings, etc., etc. So let's just open up the first link here. I just made a search in Google, and you can see you can use Live Home 3D application on many devices, including smartphones, tablets, PC screen, virtual visor, virtual reality visor, etc., etc. And as you can see already from this example, we will be able to work both in 2D and 3D. So this is what makes it really interesting, and also because it's really easy to use and user-friendly. So you can click on Windows, for example, if you're using Windows, and you can buy, or you can go in the Microsoft Store from here. There is a free version, and there is also a paid version, version for sale. So you can see here, you can just click and obtain with the pink button the software right away from the Windows Store. So you can download it and install it directly from the Windows Store. So if you scroll down here, you can see some snapshots. You can see that it has the possibility to work with plan views in CAD, similar to AutoCAD and similar application. And then you have also the possibility to set up a 3D scene with renderings like this. You have assets and libraries where you can get assets from, like interior design, furniture, etc., etc. You can export 3D models, videos, images, renderings, and 360 visualization, virtual reality, and much, much more. Now, it uses Cycles as a render engine, which is the same one that Blender uses. And you saw the interface is similar to Twinmotion, and you find also courses about modeling and rendering in the channel already if you're interested. And then you have extra tools like in the Pro version, like terrain modeling, elevation view for the 2D drawings, light editor. Now, these are all Pro features, as you see. You also be able to customize your materials, create customized materials, and etc., etc. So again, you have a Pro version and a free version, and you can choose. You can also share, and again, you have extra features and like higher resolution for videos and renderings if you use a Pro version. And you see here some examples of interior design, renderings, and exteriors, architecture, etc., etc. Now, if you want to see the full specs, are right here. So this is kind of a summary of everything and what is Pro and what is not. And there you go. So once you're decided, you can proceed by going with the free download or getting the Pro version. If you click on Get Pro, you can again get into the asset store. You can see it has a price. That's the price right there. It's not too expensive, and otherwise you can go with the free download, which is what I'm gonna do. So you can click on Obtain. Remember, this is not only for Windows, it's also for Mac and other operative system. And there you go. So I'm just clicking here. You know, the installation takes a little bit of time. So I'm just gonna stop here for this quick introduction, and I'm gonna create more videos. So stay subscribed, stay updated. Join if you wanna support us and thank us. And if you're interested in seeing other videos, please write in the comments. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video guide.